Imagine a future where artificial intelligence can understand us profoundly and intuitively. How might that change our interactions with technology, our work, and even our society? Enter Grok, the latest innovation from the mind of Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink. This new artificial intelligence model, named after a term coined by Robert A. Heinlein, is designed to do just that, to grok, or deeply understand and intuit human language. Grok has been birthed by Musk's new AI venture, x.ai, and it's got quite a unique selling point. Unlike many existing AI models, Grok is designed to answer spicy questions. The prototype is currently in beta testing and will eventually be available as a feature of X Premium Plus. But what sets Grok apart from the myriad of AI models out there? Well, Grok has access to data from X, which gives it a distinct advantage over its peers. This vast pool of data allows Grok to generate responses that are more accurate and contextually relevant. However, it's worth noting that x.ai acknowledges that Grok, like any AI, can still generate false or contradictory information. Elon Musk envisions x.ai as a contender to rival powerhouses like OpenAI and Inflection. And if there's one thing we know about Musk, it's that he doesn't shy away from a challenge. But Grok isn't just about technological prowess. At its heart, x.ai aims to create AI for people of all backgrounds and political views. It's a vision of AI as a tool for inclusivity, a tool that can understand and engage with the vast diversity of human experience. In summary, Grok represents a bold step forward in the world of artificial intelligence. It's an AI model designed to deeply understand and intuit human language, to answer complex questions, and to be accessible to people from all walks of life. And while it's still in its early stages, Grok promises to be a game changer in how we interact with artificial intelligence. Keep an eye on this space, for the future of AI is unfolding right before our eyes, and Grok might just be leading the way. Subscribe to keep up with the latest AI news.